I'm a co-founder of SME Bank. Already 4 years operating in Lithuania, already in Latvia, Estonia, Finland, and Netherlands. And the SME Bank works from the name, might get it for SMEs. And what we do, we help SMEs with capital, is number one, and with everyday banking solutions is number two. So our goal is to help SMEs because they are most affected by the crisis and most affected by the lack of the credit in Europe. So we're solving the worst problem in Europe is the lack of capital for SMEs to grow, and the economy grows also.
All right. So an SME Bank is not the only company that you are involved in. Can you put a few more words on what else you also do?
Yes, besides the fact I'm a co-founder of SME Bank, my part-time is I'm investing in early stage companies. It's a pre-seed fund from Finland called Superhero Capital. And we invest in the superheroes, the companies founded by the founders who are superheroes, and then change the life with the technology investments, technology disruption in the early stage. So I find it like a little bit like my hobby, like a passion that I already did something, and now I'm helping other entrepreneurs to do something in Fintech. My major is Fintech, and we are helping by investing tickets of around 500,000 euros in early stage companies.
That's interesting coming from that background and then into building a new company. But with that perspective, can you put a few words on the needs for doing something for the SMEs?
Sure, it's very easy and understandable. I have 15 years experience working at a bank, and all I see all the SMEs are crying for the capital and crying access to capital, and they're crying for the technology, for better service, etc. So my whole goal, my dream is to build something like disruption for the SMEs, but not for a very, very small niche, but to say for the bigger, medium-sized SMEs to access to financial services and access to capital. This is the biggest pain point for the Europe. We still have lack of the capital. It's like 70 to 80% of the European SMEs lack access to capital. And it's a huge problem when you do a growth. So what we need to do, we need to build more fintechs, more access to financial services, and that's how you help them, and they grow, and all community grows and economy grows.
All right, so you focus not only on the Baltics, but the entire Europe?
Mostly from our venture capital fund, we're in Finland and Baltics. However, we have other companies coming to the region, so we focus on that. And all the entrepreneurs in the Europe can approach us. Of course, if there is a value to add, we will look at them.
All right, so being local and being a serial entrepreneur, in your opinion, why do you think people keep talking about the Baltics being the big next thing in fintech?
So it's not being the next thing, it's already we are the thing. We are hungry, we have talent, we have culture, we have knowledge, and the people want to do something, they want to change, they want to grow. And look what we did in the 30 years of our independence. Our GDP per capita grows fast. We want to invent something. We want to disrupt industries. So I think it's the best place to be in Europe because you combine technology and the people in one place. And we have been coached by all the industries. We have grown from the industries such as Barclays Banking was here, Western Union was here. We've coached, and now we're ready to scale and build our products. We have a lot of unicorns already. People going from the unicorns, creating other startups already in other industries. So it's all viable community.
All right. So we're here today at the Baltic Fintech Days, celebrating what you just said. What are your key takeaways so far?
Perfect days. I need this. Some kind of event like this was needed for a long time already. And now we've gathered all the Baltic states. That's even better. And I see how many guests are here. What's the vibe here? And I see it's only excellent thing to do this. I already met 20 clients for the bank, and I met 20 new fintechs that are growing, looking for capital. And when people say, "Oh, there's nothing to do," go into one conference and you have opportunities you wouldn't count even.
So it's fair to say you had a good day here.
Perfect day.
Yeah,
good day. It's a good day. Now it's a perfect day. Sun is shining. Lots of people. Everyone's polite. So perfect place to be.
That's great. Thank you so much for having time to talk to us today.
Thank you very much.